Hi everyone! Before I jump into this video, I just wanted to let you know about something new that I've created that I'm super excited about. So I have made a digital zine and it's live in my shop now if you want to check it out. If you're wondering what a zine is, it's basically like a little magazine, and my zine is full of my photography. It has some art inspiration in it and DIY projects, bullet journal inspo, art prompts, just like the things that I create here on YouTube, I've kind of made into zine form. So I love how it turned out so much, and I know you're gonna love it too. If you wanna check it out, I'll have it linked down below. Like I said, it's digital, so you don't have to pay for shipping. You don't have to wait for something to be shipped to you. As soon as you purchase it, you can download it and read it. So if you wanna check that out, I'll have it linked, but I hope that you enjoy this office tour video. In this video, I want to share a tour of my office space. So some of you may know I moved almost a year ago, and when I moved into this new apartment, I knew I wanted to set up a little office space for myself because I work from home, and I really wanted a space that was creative and inspiring and made me want to sit down and get to work. And I feel like that's what I've managed to do over the last couple months. It's been a process setting this all up, but I'm happy with how it looks now, and I did it all for a really great price. So I thought it might be interesting or helpful for you if I show you my office and tell you where I got everything and give you some tips for setting up your own office on a budget, or just give you some inspiration for decorating your own little workspace. So first, my desk. I got my desk at IKEA, and it was one of their really basic desks, like one of their most inexpensive ones. And I actually got two desks and put them together to create this L shape just because I wanted a large workspace, because you guys know the kind of things I do, tutorials and DIYs and lots of crafty projects. So I like having a lot of space to work on. So I got these two tabletops from IKEA. The large one is 78 inches and it was $47.99. And then this smaller one is 47 inches and that was only $22.99. And then I had to buy the legs separately, and they were $4 each, and I have 7 legs. And then on one end of my desk I have this trestle. So the total for my whole desk setup is only $149, which is really good because most of the time a desk, especially this size, would be so much more expensive than that. Now my desk chair, once again, is from IKEA, and this was $50. So I got a few more things from IKEA. I have this set of drawers that I can store some of my office and craft supplies in, and this was $39.99. The last thing that I have from IKEA is actually my lamp that's in the back corner of my desk. And I really love this lamp because the black color just adds some contrast, and this lamp was only $32.99. Then for some decoration, behind me you see my metal grids that I have hanging on the wall, and they're just really nice to hang pieces of artwork, or I have dried flowers up there, just little random bits and bobs to decorate my space. I really like how that looks. And I got these in a set of 2 from Amazon for $25.99. So another thing that I have hanging on my wall above my desk is this metal spice rack. And I use this to organize little jars of sequins and paper clips and string and paint and just a bunch of random craft supplies that I find myself reaching for quite often. So it's nice to have them easily grabbable, and I think they look nice on display. And the spice rack is actually from World Market, and it was only $12.99. So the last piece of furniture I have is this metal rolling cart that I keep next to my desk. And this stores things like notebooks and pens and scissors and other random office and craft supplies that I like to have right next to me. And this cart is pretty basic, but I kind of like that utilitarian look, and I think it goes well with the rest of my room. I actually got this several years ago from Target, so I can't quite remember how much it cost, but I really can't imagine it was more than $20. Now, I didn't include the cost of the rest of my decorations. I don't have a lot more because I do like to keep this pretty clean and minimal, but the decorations that I do have are just things that I found around my house that I use to decorate, and I assume you probably have similar things. Things like my notebooks or little jars to hold pens and pencils. I also have this bowl that I hold my washi tape in. You probably have something similar laying around that you could use to decorate your office space with. But I also have another tip. You should definitely go check out the thrift store if you need organizers or jars or baskets or just cool things to decorate your space. It's going to be unique to your space and just make your little office area that much cooler. So that's the end of this little office tour. If you guys are wondering where any of my furniture is from, I'll have everything listed down below, so go check that out. But I hope that this video gave you some inspiration for your own workspace, and I will see you in my next video.